Hey there, mate. How you doing? I see you noticed a brand new just arrived car in the lot here today. So we actually have a 200SX, or S14 they call them. We just had a grandma deliver it, or actually sorry, drop it off when she picked up her new GTR, traded it right in, and she is very nice. So before they traded this car in, they actually got a fresh lick of paint on her. Isn't she beautiful? If you come around this way, we've got some 16-inch, 215, 55, great performance wheels. So this previous owner really looked after this car. Let's have a look inside it. As you can see, dead stock. None of these like JDM mods, you know, these boys hootering around with their loud exhausts. This is just dead stock, beautiful. As you can see here, we've got the much recognised S14 taillights. This is the ADM edition, Series 1, some people call it. We've got nice 6 months registration on the old girl, and look at those beautiful twin tip exhausts. Now as you can see, we have a rare sunroof model edition. If you come down here, a factory fitted 5-speed transmission too. So this car is factory fitted with electronic mirrors, and it actually has a freshly regassed air conditioning system with dual system airbags for that sticky situation when that power kicks in. As you can see, they're the Serious Edition airbags. One notable aftermarket modification they have made, Autobahn professionally fitted this Pioneer experience of sound. Let's look under the hood. Look at that. So here we have a factory turbo SR20 2-litre 4-cylinder engine, pushing around 220 rear horsepower. Let's take it for a test drive, shall we? So you're probably wondering how much she is. I'll pass you on to my good friend to let you know. Well, thanks for that, Jason, for all that useless information. Could have just called it a stock S14. Hey there guys, my name's Jason. And if you want to win this car, it is $30 and entries close at the end of the month, capped at 3,000 entrants. Head yourself to keepereet.com.